So this is a short video explaining how to use the work log data. First thing you're going to need to do is create a new Google Sheet. And like the instructions here say, that you should call it your name robot work log data. And then you'll want to make sure you share it with your teacher. You'll also put a link to this in your work. And you see that there's a link in the document that has the robot arm dynamics work log. And it's got two columns. One of them says job number, which is how the different repair jobs were identified and entered into the work log. And then one of them has the repair time in minutes. And this is basically a random sampling of repair times from the tens of thousands of repair jobs that have been done by Robot Arm Dynamics. And so in order to get a new sample, all you have to do is hit the refresh button, and you can see that you get a new set of times, a new set of 10 pieces of data or 10 jobs that you can then use to think about whether or not your choice of cost model is a good one. So let me show you a little bit about how to get this data and into your spreadsheet. So you've created your own spreadsheet that you're going to use, and you can just highlight these pieces of data here, and you can copy them. You can use Command C if you want, but the important thing is that when you go to your own spreadsheet, you don't just paste, because there's really some formulas underneath these numbers here. And if you paste, you're going to be pasting the formulas, which are giving random numbers. And what you really want is to just paste the actual values or those numbers. So you're going to go to Paste Special and Values Only. And you can do that several times if you want. If you push refresh again, you can get another random sample, and you'll see, and you can do that as many times as you think would be good for your, I should have used random. I should have used my Paste Special here, and there we go. And then you can use some of the functions in the spreadsheet that we've used before, and then you can take the mean of those pieces of data like that, and so forth. All right, so that's how to use the robot time work log. Make sure that you get the link to your work and that you include it in your report. And also make sure that you give a detailed account of how you will use the data from the work log and any calculations you did. You can use the Google Sheet to do calculations, but you should tell the reader the process and give the reasons for the steps you took. You can use screenshots of your spreadsheet to help you communicate more clearly. And like I said, make sure you include a link to the spreadsheet that you're using. And then finally, you're going to explain whether you should change your choice for a cost model from part 1, giving reasons why you think you should change.